I am Judd from GDK Veneering, and this is a Bentley Continental R. Now this set has come all the way from Vancouver. I've already been polishing a lot of it. We've had to do a lot of restoration on this set, i.e. veneering some new pieces. So they are slightly darker, but over the years, hopefully it should go to the same colour. So I'm going to show you today one of the door cappings, which is massive by the way. I've already started to polish this part here, and that's all dull there. But I'm actually going to show you how we polish it. We don't use any foam pads. We don't use hand polishing with cream or anything like this. This lacquer is designed for wood only, and the only way you're going to get it to polish up the way how we do is on this machine behind us. So that's a hard mop. So that'll remove any of the finer scratches that the sanding has put in. And this one's going to be the polishing mop that'll buff it up to a shine. I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration. But before that, we do work all over the world. So if you're in America or in Australia or China, wherever you are, we can do your woodwork. Yes, you have to pay the postage and things like that, but then you're getting good British quality craftsmanship right here in the UK. Okay, I'm going to turn it on. It's going to get a little bit noisy. So I'm going to use two solid waxes. That's what we use. So that's a hard cutting wax that goes on the hard mop, and that's the soft wax that goes on the polishing. So I'm just going to apply a bit of that before I start to polish. By the way, these door cappings are absolutely massive. Look at the size of that. Can you imagine trying to open that on a car park? No. Anyway, here we go. I'm going to polish this door part that's all been sanded. Just take some time here. Okay, I'm going to now go. I've already polished it a bit, and you can see that it's already going a little bit shiny. So now I'm going to buff it off on the polishing mop. Okay, so that's that part polished. It's going to take a little bit longer, obviously, to do it completely. But what I do is, certain way of knowing if you've removed all the scratches is by, we lift it up to the light and we move it so we can see if we've got anything like swirlies, that's what we call them, because the sander goes round and that leaves swirlies. So all of them, by the look of that, it's already been all removed. It just needs a good wipe off with a cloth. If I do spot any more, then it'll go back on here. The one thing that a lot of people don't understand is, if I'm polishing on here and I just catch it a certain way like that, and the lacquer rubs off, then all this door capping has to go back in to be completely resprayed and then sanded and flatted. So that's why the process that we use here at GDK Veneering, we take our time, we do the job properly, so it lasts in your cars for years and years to come. Like I said, we do worldwide as well as the UK. If you're interested in having your woodwork done, please give us a call. And obviously, thank you very much for watching, and follow us on YouTube and on Facebook and all the social media. Bye bye for now. Thank you.